Good morning, everyone. This is Professor Pallavi Agrawal from Arts Patel Institute of Technology, Shirpur, Computer Department. As we have already seen in last videos about introduction of AI, uh, intelligent agent, rational agent, now we'll be seeing the environment types that which I have described you or we have seen in last video of peace. There are different environments which need to be known by a developer of AI system. The first one is fully observable. There are basically in this category there are two, that is fully observable and partially observable. The AI agent has complete access to all information about the environment state at any given time. This makes decision making easier as the agent has a clear picture of the situation. The next one is deterministic and sophisticated one. The next state of a environment is completely determined by the current state and the action executed by the agent. There is no randomness involved. A simple example is a puzzle where every action has a predictable outcome. The next one is episodic versus sequential. The agent's experience is divided into discrete episodes where each episode is independent of the other. For example, a spam filter that analyzes each email independently. Then static versus dynamic. What is static? The environment is unchanged while an agent is deliberating. For example, a chess game where the board remains static until the agent makes a move. The next, discrete versus continuous. So what is discrete? The environment has a finite number of distinct states and actions. Chess is a good example with a finite set of squares and moves. The next one is single agent versus multi agent. Single agent, an agent, only one operating by itself in an environment. Many classic AI problems like solving a maze fall into this category. As we have seen in last video about peace, what are the performance measures of different examples of agents we have taken. Now we'll be seeing how this environment types changes and how your agent will be able to get the correct answer or the most correct answer. These are the different examples of task environments and their characteristics, like crossword puzzle, chess with a clock, poker, uh, backgammon, um, taxi driving, medical diagnosis, image analysis, part picking robot, refinery control, interactive English tutor, and many more. The structure of agent. The job of AI is to design the agent program that implements the agent function mapping percepts to action. We assume this program will run on some sort of architecture of computing devices with physical sensors and actuators. We call this the architecture. So basically, in a simple language, agent must be a combination of architecture and program, that is a specific program designed for a specific purpose with a specific architecture. So this is a simple algorithm for agent program. Please go through it. Now we'll see what are agent functions and programs. An agent is completely specified by the agent function mapping percept sequences to action. One agent function is rational. Aim of it, find a way to implement the rational agent function consequently. Agent program which takes the current percept as input and the agent function which takes the entire percept history. The agent program takes just the current percept as input because nothing more is available from the environment. If the agent's action depend on the entire percept sequence, the agent will have to remember the percepts. This is simple agent program for a vacuum cleaner agent, which we have seen earlier. The example of a vacuum cleaner. This figure shows agent program for a simple reflex agent in the two-state vacuum cleaner environment.